Hey, huh. I forgot I was wearing this sweatshirt. This was one that I gave to my dad when I was on the job as a firefighter. We used to call him. We wanted the grandkids to call him Lightning, so I put Lightning on there. Anyway, so this bow that I made the other day, it's really great, except that there was a hinge right here, and it was literally just bending right at that hinge, right in the handle. So I put this, I think it's maple, this piece on here. I just glued it on, and I'm gonna shape it. So let's see if this glue holds and how that's all gonna work. Okay, moment of truth. Whew. Oh, okay, the the handle's bending still, which I'm okay with that. Well, let's see what happens when we shoot a couple arrows. Oh, this thing's stiff. Ah, fuck. All that time I put into it. Just heard it crack.